Looking for a garden studio that's both stylish and sustainable?
Meet the RHS Cube, created by Crane Garden Buildings in collaboration with the Royal Horticultural Society. This sleek, insulated space is inspired by RHS Hilltop and designed for year-round use. Whether you're planning a home office, art studio, wellness room or gym, the RHS Cube offers complete flexibility. It features a thermally efficient aluminium pocket door, optional fanlight or full-height windows, and full insulation for comfort in every season. Choose from a wide range of sizes, add internal partitions, and personalize finishes inside and out using Crane's online configurator. Built to last with PEFC certified timber, water-based paints, and a focus on recycling, the RHS Cube is as sustainable as it is stylish. Contact Crane Garden Buildings to start planning your own. Or read our full article on the garden room and annex guide